Hacking's a good job, but it's a lonely life. I was ready for a better opportunity, but I needed to find job openings that I was actually a right fit for, tailor my resume for each individual job, and then apply to all of them. I was feeling overwhelmed and I needed help. I needed Indeed Career Scout. Not only does Indeed Career Scout uncover new career paths and help tailor your resume, but it can also help match you with great opportunities from millions of jobs. As we all know, the better the match, the better your chance of getting hired and actually thriving in your new role. So, our friend had been a coder. He knew the job field. Now, he needed to identify the job category. Product manager, product owner, level 1, 2, 3. Career Scout presented options and shared overviews. Sure enough, our coder found a category that matched. Technical product owner. Yes, this is perfect. But how do I show that my skills and experience are transferable? I don't know any technical product owners. I think my cousin married a technical person. These people. Oh, wait. I have Career Scout. Good call. Career Scout filters job posts according to your skills, interests, and responses from the questions it asks. In other words, the results are personalized. Career Scout can also give you an insider's view of what it may really be like to work at a company, so you can read employer reviews before you apply. Okay, 3 jobs to apply to. Time to clean up my resume for each of these roles. Oh, I can be helpful there. Put your contact info at the top. Definitely go with Helvetica. Help from Career Scout it is. Career Scout can personalize your resume for roles that are a good match. Once you start to apply for a role that fits, Career Scout edits your resume and adds in keywords from that job description. It also finds relevant skills from your profile and adds them in while suggesting others you may want to consider. Don't like the suggestions? Don't worry. You can manually edit every line. Submit, submit, submit. 3 applications, each with a personalized resume, and when a recruiter reaches out, Career Scout will help me draft personalized emails and schedule actual interviews. You're on your way, brother. That's awesome. Congrats. Aren't good friends great? Career Scout can help you find a new career field, choose a role that matches your goals, discover job postings, personalize your resume so it's tailored to each position, apply for the job, and handle all the follow-up. Friends? Sure, they're great. But friends and Career Scout? That's the best. Found a job that's a good fit? Before you apply, let Indeed Career Scout personalize your resume. Now, it matches the job description.